What's up? Happy birthday, Raw Food City. Oh boy, don't hit me. Don't hit me. Yeah, every Sunday I'm right around Broadway, you know? My little girl is trying to be a star. She was a star from as soon as she popped out, she was a star. Amazing. So, that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna try to put my ear to the door to listen to her sing. Yeah, let's do it. So busy. High security. I was one of those guys. This is awesome. It's like, it's really like an actor's playhouse. Ripley Greer Studios. Yeah. Every single room is just auditions and practicing and from commercials to Broadway. Breeze is in there. I can't hear. Maybe I could hear one day. So how'd you do? Hi, I'm here for the audition. Yes. Where do you need me to sign up? Oh, excuse me. Did I get the part? Do I just sign right here? Oh. Did you hear that? That was my butt. I know. That was me transitioning into cooked food. Yo, cooked food is a drug. 100%, man. It really is. And cause the cravings I've had that I have right now are intense. They're so intense. I had to get out of the house. I had to just go out and get back to nature. And that's where I am right now. Just get out. Whenever you feel those things, man, I think when you just get out and get busy, those cravings go away. Yeah, I'm getting back to nature. This is when I first started. I'm walking in this park. This is good. I just booked it. I just sprinted like a quarter of a mile uphill. Pretty intense. I was like dizzy at the end. But this is where I want to go, guys. This is the beginning of the next phase, because I really want to get GQ sexy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not kidding. Like, I want the stuff I always dreamt about, you know? And then, I don't know if it'll make me happy. Just like money. You don't know, right? Until you get it. But let's find out. Maybe getting there would be a lot of fun. Sure has been this far. And I've come so far. Why not go all the way? You know what I'm saying? So we're on the Get Sexy mission. And in the end, I think if I'm helping others and inspiring others, that's the payoff. That's the payoff. It's not about the full-blown sex. It's about helping others, because That much I know. That much I know. I don't know much. But I know I love you. Let's just seeing if any of them like my song. Maybe not. Well, maybe they're being quiet so I could sing again. Let's go say hello to Riley. All right, Riley. I'm with the girls. So we just had to lower the radio because if you put music in the background of your videos, they just take it from you.
I mean, how rude is that?
How rude is that? Are we double vlogging right now?
Just do a camera kiss.
How you do that? Ah, my first camera kiss. De-virginized.
So.
Do you know what virgin means?
No.
Gross.
So, we have to go, because we were in a rush because we were at the park, and now we have to go, oh, my camera's all fogged up. Now we have to go and pick Brees, no, not pick Brees up, drop Bree's book off.
Yeah, we forgot Bree's piano book, and her teacher is,
Oops.
doesn't know a specific song. We had to go dig for it.
Literally.
And, so now they know. But if she didn't have a bag, they wouldn't be able to play the song.
Lighting! Excuse me!
Oh, let Jesus do its work. Hello, son. The sun is actually feeling good today.
I know. It was pajama day at school, and I had to take my sweater off, too, because I'm sweating.
Show the pajamas.
Pajamas!
Very comfortable today. I should have worn my pajamas.
Yeah.
You know, I could technically wear my pajamas every day and not give a S about nothing.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Are you gonna run in and give it a bag?
Okay, so I'm gonna film. He's gonna film, and we're gonna split up. Okay, ready? Camera kiss.
We're officially at Bree's piano school.
Okay, let's go.
You're out of air.
Yeah. Do you want me? Okay. So yeah. Okay. You could maybe insert the footage of me running in right now. Oh my God! And we're back. Woo!
Wow, that was easy. So what have you been vlogging about? Do you want me to put your name here?
Yeah. Ready?
And have my people follow you?
Yeah. Ready? Boop.
Nice.
Let's take it away. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Nice.
Okay, so I tried to make a schedule. I'm probably not going to stick to it. On Mondays, I was going to do DIYs, but I suck at DIYs. On Tuesday, I was going to do skits because I would have to film them on Monday because I have gymnastics on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, I think a challenge because I'm normally with you guys. And, oh my God, I'm golden. Oh, I'm normally with you guys.
Just dropped the phone. What happened? Look at those blue eyes.
I have no freaking storage.
My teeth look a little yellow right now.
But I'm flexible.
I gotta brush. I didn't brush.
Oh, okay. Do your viewers know how flexible I am? You can call them the Bobby Bunners.
The Bunners?
Yeah, or...
Oh, you mean like my...
The juicers!
My subs? Bun juices? By the way, this is my niece, in case you didn't know.
Hi.
Miss Riley. What are you gonna do now?
You'll see. Enough room. I think I have enough room.
What the? How are you doing that in the car? It's pretty intense.
Hi.